How to verify your YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can verify your YouTube channel. In order to verify your YouTube channel, first of all, check your internet connection, open up a browser and open up your YouTube application for that. Right page from the top right hand side corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. So just tap on profile icon, and as soon as you on that, go YouTube Studio from the drop down menu. And once you're logged into your YouTube Studio, in the left hand side bar you can see settings. Just go ahead and tap on settings, and from the pop-up menu click on channels. After that, you'll be able to see basic info, advanced settings and all that. So click on feature eligibility. By default, standard feature is always enabled, but in some of your cases the intermediate feature might be already enabled. So what you have to do is you'll be able to see eligible button. So you can just go ahead and tap on this arrow icon located right in the corner. After that, you'll be able to see that the features according to this particular section. So basically what you have to do is, according to this particular feature, you'll be able to add longer videos that is more than 15 minutes, the customized thumbnail and live streaming and all that. So all you have to do is just tap on the verify button. In my case, as already mentioned, I've already enabled it, so the interface is quite different. Basically what you'll have to do is, first of all, enter in the country of your resident and then select the phone number or type in the active phone number. Once done entering the phone number, you'll be asked to provide in the code. So you have to enter in the code that will be sent to an SMS. Once done entering the code, click on the done button, and after you've done verified your phone number, you need to head back to the same page and you'll be able to see the same interface as mine, that is enabled right over here. And after you've done that, you'll be able to access all sort of features such as, I've already mentioned it before, that you can start adding longer videos and you can also add customized thumbnail. You can also do the live streaming, all that. In this way you can verify your YouTube account. So after a couple of months or maybe a week, you'll be able to get an eligibility of advanced. You can start with this procedure as well. So in this way you can verify your YouTube account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.